What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Hadin ketekit webnia ajrong bogiar wacak penyap ke Insaphira lengdok mau nai ke wadang sos snem Wyrta hanong da nong lumbrai wakat kamu betip USB ke iskasi hills uvivex im do nguwa wala ini ikam tau khna wadang hat lesnem wasak marjan jung we wujuk lai le chi jung ani khna we wakam le uyo ye ke Scorpio rong yong he poro wiar ko de ong le wa em gi bru wasak mas USB de khna wa ni khna de Phla wa ra u ye Insaphira na jrong kan ro wa de la ya u ka chakatha wadang chna yung de wala nei luti kte human le ithaw chem ye met yap he wa tai khuna ad ong ma na po he ni ka thaw nei da bu kte ikjat u de sai u ki ha ko em ni ka thaw he wa de tler u wa de to tan lang u ni khana chpo we ka ni khana de yap ko de wa kdang we de wa tin de ban u do mo drong ni khana we li wan u chi yung USB de khana le wa de chem gi dak ki kha kjat ni khana nei wa oru hai tai thaw u pen yu wa tler sket u wa de lai ra yo ni khana chi juvenile home we da bu cha de juvenile justice board kat kamu ong SP ke postmortem report le penyo ko yap kan ni khana nei ngam em dak nei ki kha hay do ipran ko kam jo le gi dak wa cha slaj bor ko de bentib le wa ni khana adin wa jai ni de wan che yung ni khana wa ka bai u wai o le lang hai por tho ye ni khana nei liang SP de ong wa ni ka thaw hai por jia rap dap ba ko wa ka tikit dang lai ko yo tip le de ME1 ni wa ni thmu chpa ni khana
with regard to the death of the 4-year-old girl in Nonglom Brai, which who also went missing on the 14th. I'd like to give you a point-by-point sequence of the events and what SIT has unearthed so far. So on the 14th of September, information was received by Rinja Police Station from the father of the girl that she had gone missing, and they had found that she had gone missing at about 8 a.m. in the morning. It was also found that from the family members and the uncle that the girl child was last seen playing in the compound at about 7:30 a.m. within the premises of her house. And when they realized that she had gone missing, all neighbors and locality members, inhabitants of the locality had been alerted, and they began searching. The police immediately rushed to the area, and intensive search was being conducted along with the VTP and dog squad. On the 14th, I think because of heavy rains and all that, though extensive search was done, the girl child could not be found. It was only on the 15th, the next day at about 8 p.m., that information was received from the father that the child's body had been discovered by a labourer of a construction site, which is about 100 meters from the residence of the girl child. And immediately, DSP Crime Against Women, OC Rinja, had rushed to the place. They had cordoned off the area, and inquest was conducted with the help of the forensic team from FSL Shillong. The body was taken to Negrams, where postmortem examination was conducted, and the body was handed on the 15th only. After the postmortem was conducted, the family members, in particular the father of the child, had filed a complaint. We had registered a case in Rinja Police Station pertaining to murder. Then a special investigation team was set up, headed by ISP City, Additional SP Ops, DSP Crime Against Women, DSP City, OC Rinja, and one WPSI from Nongman Song. Now, after SIT examined, this has been the third day from the time we had found or recovered the body. looking at and investigating in these 3 days and examining many witnesses and looking at all the available evidence which we have actually gathered, we zeroed down on a 13-year-old boy who is a neighbor of the child girl and who's also a frequent visitor of the house. He was produced before the Child Welfare Committee and examined thoroughly, where he had admitted that on that particular day he had taken that girl child over the wall and taken her through the beaten path, which I think most of you all have seen, and gone to that construction site. According to him, since his feet was drenched with mud, he washed his feet in that there's a cavity or a hollow between the wall and the building and the retaining wall, and that day the water was full. According to him, he had slipped and the girl was close to him. He had pulled the girl along, dragged her while slipping, for which he has injury marks on his feet, and the girl drowned. Out of panic and out of confusion, he placed a stone on the body of the girl child and went home straight. After some time, he came along with his mother to the girl's house and he found all the relatives of and the parents of the girl child looking for her. While SIT examined him yesterday, it is a fact, and according to him, that he had actually just concocted the black Scorpio without number plate and black men and the masked men, as he had panicked and wanted a distraction. The postmortem report was received today. The postmortem report says death due to drowning. There is no antemortem injuries. There is no sexual assault. The death was 24 to 36 hours from the time postmortem was done. So that indicates that the death happened in that place, not in any other place. And he was sent to the juvenile home yesterday for observation. Today, thorough medical examination and several medical tests has been done on this boy. He has been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. And SIT is in the third day of...
Slipped and the girl died?
Like I said, it's just the third day, and SIT has got 90 days to investigate this case. Right now, what we have proven is that it is the boy who has taken the girl to the site. It is also proven that there is no robbery because her gold earrings are intact. It is also proven there is no sexual assault. It is also proven that there is no body injury. So this is postmortem report says it is a case of drowning. Now we need to find out further whether this boy had a motive. We need to find out further whether it is anything other than accidental.
Sir, because
Everybody. In fact, the distraction of the black Scorpio and masked men just to distract everybody. He had kept this away from everybody. And in fact, he was with the search party also.
So if we can create a story of...
We are yet to investigate further on the claims of this child, of whether it was accidental or otherwise. So this is all what I can say till this juncture.